Hello everyone, hope everyone are doing great. In today's video, we'll see one of the Amazon Bedrock use case, which is about building a simple image search application with Amazon title multi-model embeddings. Okay, we'll upload this image file in Amazon ECR through Elastic container registry, and through containerization, we'll be attaching the load balancer, basically application load balancer into root 53 DNS to it. Okay. We need to get the access for this model, Titan multi-model embeddings and Claude. And the Titan multi-model embeddings will comes under Amazon, and Claude will comes under the Anthropic. Okay. And once you have done that, you need to create a security group for the load balancer and ECS. Okay. In order to create a security group for the load balancer, you need to go to the EC2 instance. EC2 instance, you need to go to the security groups. Okay. Inside the security groups, I created two security groups. One is for Elastic Container Service, which having inbound rule for all TCPs. Another one is load balancer security group, okay, which is having inbound rules for HTTP, HTTPS, and custom TCP. The port number 8080, allowing all IPv4 address. Okay. Once the security group has been created, and we need to go to the Cloud9 environment, where we need to create an environment. Okay, and then we need to import this app file. We need to add the main Python file. We'll be adding the code for creating the vector images. Okay, I post this blog in the YouTube video description. Just follow it. Okay, and we need to give the access key and secret access key in order to invoke the model. Okay. Once the code everything added, we need to add the requirements file as well in order to download the dependencies. Okay, once that has been done, we need to open the Docker file, and we need to place this code for to install the Python 3.11 and to install the dependencies. Okay, once that's been done, we need to create a repo in a ECR Elastic Container Registry. We need to create a private repo in Elastic Container Registry, and we need to use the few push commands. Okay, this is that my repo has been created. Okay, we need to use this new push commands, and we need to push the code into ECR from the Cloud9 environment with the help of terminal. Okay, once this has been pushed, the image URL will be placed here. Okay, you need to copy this URI. Okay, once that has been done, you need to create a cluster and a task definition. In order to create a ECS cluster and a task definition, we need to go to the Elastic Container Service. Okay, I created a cluster, my cluster. Once that has been done, we need to create a task definition, which is an app stream is the task definition I created. Okay. Okay, once that has been done, we need to create an ECS service and provision a load balancer. Okay, in order to create an ECS service, we need to go to inside the cluster, and here we need to create a service. Okay, inside the ECS service, we need to provision the application load balancer. Okay, and we need to create a listener port HTTP, and we need to create a target group as well. Okay, once that has been completed, okay, we need to navigate to the load balancer, and we need to edit the security group from ECS security group to load balancer security group. Okay, okay, once that has been done, you need to go to route 53 in order to we need to copy the DNS name of the load balancer, and then we need to go to the route 53, and we need to create hosted zone. Inside the hosted zone, we need to create the record of a CNAME type record we need to create. Once that has been done, while creating the CNAME type record, we need to paste the value of the load balancer DNS name here, okay, similar to this. Okay, once that has been done, you need to copy that record name. No, you need to copy the app name. You need to copy the record name only. You need to copy the record name, and you need to append it with 408080. Okay, once that has been done, your image search web app has been ready. Okay, now if you want to search something like I want the images of cats, okay, just click on cat, enter the search as cat, and click on search. You will get the images of the cat. Okay, and similarly, if you want to see the images of houses, right, just click on search, and it will generate you the house images. Okay, and if you want to see the people image, okay, to generate the people images as well. Hope you like this video. Uh, if you find this content useful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay. Thanks everyone.